In this video we're going to use the Caption Crow web application at this address to add a multi-line caption to a school photo. First thing to do is to select the photograph, so we click on Select Local Image. This brings up a browser to the file, to the anything we're interested in uploading. We'll choose this file and say Open, and in a few moments this will now be uploaded to the web server. Now the next thing we need to do is to specify what authorization we're going to use for the captioning. In this case we'll use an email address which is already stored in there. The next thing to do is to specify the caption itself, and this comes from a file. So first of all we'll select the title, copy that to the clipboard and paste that into the caption field. The next thing we'll do is to select all of the multi-line component of the caption, copy that to the clipboard and then paste that into the required field. Now we've got a left alignment because we'd like all of the multiple lines to be aligned on the left, and we'll ask for slightly more space to be taken up by the multi-line caption, take that to 25%. And now if we click on Apply Caption and Subcaption, processing now happens, and there is the result. Now as it's shown on the web, it has a watermark over it, so you can't simply download that image, but once it has been captioned and you've entered an email address to send it to, if you click Email, then an email with the caption photo will be sent to that email address. Now to examine the file we have to open an email browser, so we'll do that. So there's Microsoft Outlook loading, and we have a look in the file where already captioned photo data has actually arrived. So if we open this file, this is what it looks like, and here are the results, which you can see here. And with this file, of course, you can save it, print it, do anything you want with it. So that's one example of how you can add a multi-line caption using having the results sent to an email address. If we go back to the web page again, if we want to use a different form of authorization, and we can also use Facebook, then first of all we have to reload the file. So we'll grab hold of it. So there it is again. And now if we say we'd like to authenticate with Facebook, we have to log into Facebook with whatever credentials we use for that. So we've now got our stored credentials, and we've authenticated with Facebook rather than the license key. Now if we add the title text in the same way as before, grab hold of it, copy it and paste it in here, and then the multi-line caption, copy it to the clipboard and paste it in, and now apply it. Okay, now the file appears the same as before, but we have different options. Now we can either post the results to Facebook or actually download them. So if we click on download, we get the usual options from the browser for saving. I'm using Firefox, and in this case if we click on save file, you'll see that that displays the progress of the downloads. If we click on it, you can see there's the file which we've downloaded, and we can open it, and there it is. Now we might decide, looking at that we actually want to make the caption a little bit bigger. While we're authorized, we can still do that. So if we change that to 25% and reapply it, it now looks a bit bigger. We'll download again. And open up the file. And there it is, looking perhaps more as you would like it. Now in this case, the file that we've selected and downloaded are in completely different places. If we do want to edit a file which we've captioned already, then we can reselect it. So now instead of taking it from our source image, we go to the downloads folder, and there's the most recent file which we've captioned. If we open that up, now there's the captioned photo, but also filled in are all the details of the caption. And so if you want to change any of these, for example to correct this person's name, to add an I, all you have to do is click on it, click apply again, and there it is corrected. And now we can download it. And if we open that up, you can see there's the file with the larger caption and the corrected name. So that's how to apply and edit multi-line captions using the web application.